Here I'm going to do the first part of our copy monitor little mini series. You can see I have my project base point turned on. I'm in just an empty file with the standard default template file that comes with Revit. So I'll say link Revit. And with the link Revit, I'm going to go grab a file. I'm going to grab a structural model, and I'm also going to say project base point to project base point for positioning, and that'll line up the linked structural base point with mine. So I'm linking in a structural model into my architectural model. It's going to link in and it's going to line up our two base points. Now these are my two original levels, and although I can take this and delete it and it's going to warn me, which is what I want to do, it won't let me delete this last level because it's the only one. So I'm going to copy monitor these. So I'm going to go up to a tool here off of coordinate off of our top under collaborate and say copy monitor, select link. I'm going to pick the link I just brought in, and then as soon as I click that, it's going to go up to here and it's going to give me these tools, and I'm going to say copy, which is copy monitor. I wish it said copy monitor. Boom. And I'm going to say multiple objects, and now I'm going to do a crossing box and just pick all these levels. I'm going to copy monitor. I want to take those levels from the link, put copies in my file. And then once I pick them all, I'm going to hit finish here first. Then it goes back to here, which is really weird. And I have to hit this again. You see, it changes my menu. I wish it didn't do that. That's a big part of this lesson. Then I hit finish again. So there's two finishes to that. Now I can click on this and hit delete it. It'll warn me and I can hit OK. So that's the first part of it, is I've linked in the structural model, and now I have actual levels in my project. Now I'm going to make floor plans of those levels. View, plan view, floor plan. I'm going to pick all of these, which are available because I've got this turned on and I don't have any floor plans anyway. And I can say, what type of plan do I want? I can hit edit on here and I can go into my templates and say I want architectural floor plans. I can tweak this in here while I'm at it if I want and hit OK. And I'm going to make all new architectural floor plans based on these levels. Click out and there we go. And there's my new architectural levels inside here, right there. Now just to close that off, I'm going to go to the architectural template and I'm going to put in a sub-discipline here of design. And then all that's going to do is take it on my template here and put it under design floor plans.